Do you know that you can make your enemies to suffer with Ekpobo and Iginla without you fighting them physically? Those enemy that is going spiritual to fight you, you can make them suffer without you fighting them physically. In this video, I will share with you everything that you need to know on how you can do that. Welcome back, my name is Gideon. I share spiritual tip here in this channel. If you're new here, please make sure you subscribe, give the video a thumbs up if you like my teachings, okay? Do you know that you can make your enemies to suffer with only Ekpobo and Iginla? In this video, I will share with you everything that you need to know. You can make your enemy to suffer without you fighting them physically. If you have somebody that is going spiritual on you, somebody that is attacking you spiritually, and you know that particular person, and you want that particular person to suffer for whatever thing they have been doing to you, you don't need to fight them, okay? You don't need to fight them physically, but you can do this to make them suffer for whatever thing they have been doing for you, spiritually, for whatever attack, for whatever problem they have been causing in your life spiritually. These are the things that you need to do now. You need to get these two items, okay? This is Ekpobo and this is Iginla, okay? And you need to get a white paper, a clean white paper, okay? Now, when you get these two items, these three items, sorry, when you get these three items now, you are going to write the name of that person on this plain white paper 7 good times, okay? Write the name of that person with the surname and everything on the white paper 7 times. Now, when you write it, you are going to grind these two items into powdered form, okay? You can grind it into powdered form, you can pound it or grind it into powdered form. In any way you know you can make it to be in a powdered form, okay? You make it, put them together, okay? Now when you put them together, at the middle of the night, by 12 o'clock, at the middle of the night by 12 o'clock, take a powder of that mixture and drop at the middle of this white paper that you have written the name of that person, okay? Now you are going to fold it together. When you fold it together, you light that paper up with a candle or lighter. You light it up. As the fire is burning, as the flames are going up, you'll be saying your intention, okay? You'll be saying your intention, be commanding whatever thing that you want to happen to that person to happen to that person, okay? Be saying your mind, be saying your intention of doing that, okay? Now, after the pepper must have finished burning, you turn your back and go inside. Don't look back anymore, okay? Just turn back and go inside if you're outside. But if you're inside, you just turn straight and go to your room. Don't look back, okay, till the next day, okay? Once you do this, wherever that person is on this planet Earth, wherever that person is on this planet Earth, the person will start suffering for any evil thing they have been doing against you, okay? Once your hands are clean. But if you know that your hands are not clean, you don't need to do this, please. If your hands are clean, if your hands are not clean, if your hands are not clean, you don't need to do this. But make sure when you are doing this, your hands are clean. You're not thinking evil to anybody, okay? You are not thinking evil to anybody. Make sure your hands are clean. Please take caution. Make sure your hands are clean. So make sure you do this if you are innocent, okay? If you are not chasing that person anyway, if you are not fighting against that person spiritually, just do this and that person will suffer for whatever thing they are doing against you, okay? So that is what you can do with Ekpobo and Iginla, and you make your enemy to suffer. If you have any question you want to ask regarding the video, use the comment section so that I will explain more for you, okay? And if you really want to talk to me, use the number showing on the screen. So that's all you can do with Ekpobo and Iginla together with a white paper to make your enemy to suffer. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.